Right now we're doing pace count with them, having them get their 100-meter pace count. They're going out 100 meters, back 100 meters. We taught them to ensure that they count every left foot.
Come on, give me another person right here. Come on, right? It's 270 degrees. All right. It's west. You understand?
Hi, my name is Michelle Full. I'm from Carver High School. I'm here at Fort Benning, Georgia, learning land navigation with Bravo Company 146 Infantry. Thank you for serving our great country. Lead the victory.
Hi, my name is Brandon Flash. I'm from North Atlanta High School. I'm here at Fort Benning, Georgia, learning land navigation with Bravo Company 146 Infantry. Thank you for serving our great country. Lead to victory.
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 Thank you for serving our great country. Lead to victory.
Hey, hey, hey,